Orders are exploding 5 times higher.
Guys, we got shocking news. NIO CEO just said 5x. 5x, guys. Holy crap. Ladies and gentlemen, what we are witnessing is the Tesla Model 3 moment, Model Y moment for NIO Stack. All right. Think about what the Tesla Model Y, Model 3 did for Tesla. It's doing the same for NIO. Almost doing the same for NIO. Of course, we got to talk about orders exploding and also another revolutionary new product that's going to come very, very soon. So NIO CEO has first said that there will actually be, of course, an Envoy L70. We kind of known about this. And this is actually a car that we really, really, really need to anticipate and look out for, because it is going to also flip the table. It is also going to be a very revolutionary product. And it is, of course, a 7-seater SUV, a more traditional, bigger SUV, but of course on the Envoy brand, a very affordable, even though it's going to be slightly more expensive than Envoy L60, it's going to be still a very affordable car. And of course, that's aiming towards those Li Auto customers, those people that have a desire for a much bigger car. And that is going to flip the table. And that car is actually coming in Q3 of next year. It's going to be delivered in Q3 of next year. And they've been planning it since 2022. So they've had everything planned out. They've got early testing and everything is going well. So that is something that we need to look forward to, and that's going to really change the game. But of course, what about Envoy L60? Well, orders are exploding. We got information on the ground, and also the CEO just said that 5x. And he said, even though they don't have a habit of publishing numbers, right? Lots of other auto companies, they might publish like, 12 hours, you got how many pre-orders. Even though there's rumors that they might publish numbers next week, all right, possibly. But what is this 5x? Of course, they had to expand the server capacity 5 times, 5x the server capacity to accommodate for all the new orders that are coming in. And even after expanding the server capacity by 5x, all right, 5 times bigger bandwidth for the server capacity, it still kind of lags. Orders are exploding. The CEO himself said it. Have a listen, guys. You must listen to this, guys. Holy crap.
Orders are exploding. We've expanded. Server capacity 5 times higher.
That day, I rushed to expand it, but even 5 times was a bit tight.
For October numbers, 5,000 units.
Actually, that's a high percentage.
Then in December, our production of 10,000 units will definitely be there. In January, we're producing at least 10,000 units, and in March, we'll produce 20,000.
Then this pressure is about our deliveries, right?
Delivery centers, too. Good things take time.
Yes, of course. We'll need to be a bit more patient with this.
Now, I really, really, really hope that the rumors that they're going to release the Envoy order numbers next week is true, because if they do that, there's 2 massive benefits. First of all, for shareholders, us investors, there's going to be like just massive confidence boost in the success of this company down the line. We're going to actually see a numerical value to this orders are exploding kind of thing that the CEO is talking about. And of course, that's going to silence all those people that are saying, hey, NIO's going to go bankrupt and that kind of bullshit online. But of course, it's also going to help out sales even further if you have tremendous order numbers, right? And you show that and everybody's like, holy crap, there's so many people buying your car. We got to go check it out, right? They go check it out. They learn about battery swap. It's like, oh my God, this is indeed the best car. We also got to buy this car. It's going to help out sales even further. So they absolutely must publish those numbers, those Envoy lock-in order numbers. And of course, he talked a little bit about deliveries. In October, you can expect 5,000, no problem. In about December, you can expect 10,000, no problem. And then in about March next year, you can expect 20,000, no problem. Monthly deliveries, production. Production leads to deliveries. So very soon we're gonna see deliveries being pushed to the next level, all thanks to Envo. All right, Envo is probably gonna contribute maybe 20,000 deliveries per month. Combine that with the Neo brands, roughly 20,000 per month. You got 40,000 per month, and then on top of that, you got new cars for both the Neo brand, the Envo brand. All right, the Envo L70 Neo next year going to release the ES8, perhaps the new ES7, and also the new ET6 as well, along with the ET9. So you got all four vehicles, NT 3.0 platform vehicles coming next year for Neo brand. So you also got that, and then also you got Firefly, of course, having all those cars. Firefly, the budget market. It's going to flip the table for the budget market as well. And here's the clip about Neo CEO on the Envo L70. Have a listen. Very important.
The key point is the mid-large 7-seater SUV, it will be a revolutionary product. A really revolutionary product. It's worth looking forward to. R&D was smooth. The project was started 2 years ago. Deliveries for that begin Q3 next year. So in the coming year, there will be completely new cars, and even more new cars. And with existing models, make updates when appropriate.
And guys, let's not forget about why there's so many pre-orders. There's that Founders Edition package. There's that really nice incentive, right? BAS payments, pay for a month, get 1 month free. Very, very nice. You're going to miss it. You know, and a lot of people missed out the Founders Edition of Neo when Neo just came out. And of course, you know, people were kind of regretting that. But with this, are you still going to miss out on the Founders Edition of the Envo L60? Hell no. A lot of people, hell no. So they gotta order the car right now. They want the Founders badge, and also, of course, all the perks that come along with it. All right, 20 free swap vouchers, all that great stuff. And it's a huge success, all right? Everybody that orders their car before October 8th, right, can get the Founders Edition package, and there's no limit on the number. Right? It's not like it's limited to 100,000 units or anything. So there's going to be a lot of Founders on the owners. So this is absolutely perfect strategy for them to implement. And of course, deliveries start very soon, oh man. In just about 7 days, you're going to get the first Envo cars being delivered. I talked to some of the Envo managers. They're just busy like crazy every day, test driving customers. They line up for test drives. It's just nonstop. They don't even get a break. All right, customers test driving, and lots of people placing down the orders for the car. Some of the Neo sales reps are kind of jealous that they didn't switch over to become an Envo sales rep because of how crazy affordable this car is. Yeah, and of course, there's still a lot of online doubters about the success of this car. But to be very honest, at that price point, like 200,000 RMB and even under because of BAS, there's no competition. Like, there are no products at that price range that are better than the Envo L60. And you can argue, all right, and in my opinion, in many people's opinion, it is better than the more expensive Model Y. That's a car it's comparing to. So of course you're going to get also a lot of Model Y buyers sucked into this car. You're also going to get a lot of gasoline vehicle buyers sucked in and buying this car as well because of the convenience of battery swap, etc. And here in Beijing, there's already a lot of battery swap stations that can already do Envo swaps. With test drives, they're actually already going to the Envo, to the Neo swap stations to do swaps for the Envo L60 with test drives. So they got that all planned out, and they're doing that right now. So they're getting even more orders, and we're seeing also on all major websites online here in China about automobiles. The #1 trending is Envo L60, more than the Zeekr 7X, which got launched on the same day, and more than any other car by a wide margin. All right, so this car has officially flipped the table, and orders are exploding. 5x. They had to expand server capacity 5x to what it was before. So could the orders be like maybe like 200,000 locked in orders? Very possible. I think we're pretty much guaranteed to have over 100,000 locked in orders. All right, that's pretty much guaranteed. All right, and we had pre-order numbers of like 300K rumored. So if we get numbers next week that says, hey, NIO Envo brand has gotten 200,000 locked in orders, what is that going to do to the stock, guys? The shorts are going to be pissing their pants. Yeah. Well, looking forward to that. All right. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.